There is a very specific physical feeling you get the moment your paycheck hits your account. The tension leaves your shoulders and you finally breathe. Let's say you bring home $3,000 a month. Looking at that fresh deposit, you feel stable, even wealthy for a moment. But over the next couple of weeks, normal life starts chipping away at it. Rent, groceries, phone bills, gas. Many people reach the end of the month staring at a balance of $14, wondering where it all went. The obvious answer is to budget, but traditional methods often feel like a punishment. They ask you to cut out everything you enjoy until you are miserable. There is a way to break this cycle without adopting a restrictive lifestyle. It is a straightforward starter formula called the 50-30-20 blueprint. To see how it works, let's turn that $3,000 into something physical. Imagine your paycheck is a stack of 30 blocks, each worth $100. The first step is allocating half of those blocks, 50% of your income, or $1,500, strictly for your needs. This pile has a specific job description. It covers survival basics like housing, utilities, basic food, and minimum debt payments. Next, you take 30%, 9 blocks, or $900, and move them into a bucket for your wants. This money is reserved for your lifestyle. Dining out and entertainment are mathematically approved features of the plan, not flaws you have to hide. Formally separating your survival costs from your lifestyle spending reduces the friction that causes most diets and budgets to fail. You don't burn out because your basic needs are covered and your fun is already paid for. This leaves you with 6 blocks. This final 20% is the portion you allocate to your future. This $600 is for savings and investing. This is the mechanism that eventually purchases your long-term financial freedom. Of course, in the real world, rent can be high. You might find that your basic survival needs take up much more than half of your income. If a 20% savings rate is impossible right now, you can recalibrate and start with 10%. These percentages are targets to aim for, not rigid laws. Starting small is more effective than doing nothing while waiting for the perfect moment. Long-term consistency is more powerful than a single month of perfection. The ultimate goal is to keep the entire system running, even when you have to adjust the amounts. This proportional system works regardless of whether your paycheck is small or large. The ratios remain the same. It replaces the frustrating reality of micro-budgeting, where you have to track every single receipt and categorize every cent. By maintaining these 3 large boundaries, the need to micromanage your daily purchases disappears. You are looking at the big picture. If there is money left in your wants bucket on a Tuesday morning, you have total permission to buy a coffee guilt-free. The psychological shift changes how you interact with your bank account. Money becomes a guide for what you can afford today, rather than a source of constant restriction. The only active step required is to divide your income into these 3 specific jobs the moment it arrives. Establishing these simple buckets transforms a paycheck into a reliable, automated engine. You can live well tomorrow is already being secured.